Looking back at the previous question, you now should be able to solve the question using this technique. Yeah. So I change the 3 cos x plus 4 sine x first with r cos x minus alpha. Yeah. And the reason why I choose minus because this is plus. Because that's the formula says here. If it's plus, then it's minus. If it's minus, then it's plus. For cos only. Yeah. So therefore, you get a r equals to, well, using this formula, r is equals to square root of 3 plus 4 squared, you get a 5. And then your alpha is equals to what? Yeah. Your alpha would be equals to, what's your b, what's your a? B is r sine alpha. So r sine alpha would be this, right? So tangent inverse of 4/3. So alpha will be equals to 53.1 degrees. Okay? You can change this to 3 cos x plus 4 sine x equals to 1 can be rewritten as 5 cos x minus 53.1 equals to 1. This is going to be a lot easier to solve, right? Is equals to 1/5. So x minus 53.1 is equals to, well, cos inverse, right? So cos inverse of 1/5, that's going to be 78.5. 78.5. So x is going to be equals to, well, 78.5. So this is going to be here. 78.5. It could be negative 78.5. So x is equals to 78.5 plus 53.1. The one answer would be 131.6, and the other answer would be 360. 360 minus 78.5. Yeah, 281.5. X equals to 281.5 plus 53.1 equals to 334.6. And those are going to be the two answers. Yeah? I'm going to sum this real quick. Yeah. For a cos x plus minus b sine x, this is equals to r cos x minus plus minus alpha. But if it's a sine, a sine x plus minus b cos x, you get an r sine x plus minus alpha. And your r in this case would be, r would be equals to, well, square root of a squared plus b squared. And then your alpha would be equals to tan inverse of b/a. Alright? Okay, this is an example. You are being asked to solve square root of 2 cos x plus sine x plus 1 for negative x less than pi, right? I'm sorry, negative pi. Okay, so to solve this, you just need to basically use the same way. Square root of 2 cos x plus sine x, that's going to be equal to r cos x minus alpha, right? Square root of 2 cos x plus sine x is equals to r cos alpha cos x minus, plus r sine alpha sine x. Now looking at this, you should be able to see that r cos alpha equals to root of 2 and r sine alpha is equals to 1. Yeah? So from this 2, you should be able to see the triangle, right? And that's going to be your alpha. This is going to be square root of 2. This is going to be 1. So therefore, your r is going to be equals to square root of 2 plus 1. R is equals to root of 3. Yeah? And your alpha is going to be equals to, well, tan inverse of 1 over square root of 2, 0.615. Alpha is equals to 0.615. that's in radians. So this fella here can be rewritten as square root of 2 cos x plus sine x equals to 1 square root of 3 cos x minus 0.615 approaching equals to 1. Why am I saying approaching? Because this is not the actual angle, right? I'm kind of like, you know, estimate this already, write it off, right? Okay, so going back, 615, that's gonna be equals to 1 over root of 3. So x is equals to minus 0.340 and x equals to 1.570, and that's gonna be your answers.